Welcome to Autoland. Today we're looking at an absolute beast in the pickup world, the Ford Shelby F-150. This truck is not just about raw power, it's about performance, luxury, and exclusivity. But before you consider getting one, here are 4 key tips you need to know. The Shelby F-150 takes the classic toughness of the Ford F-150 and adds supercharged performance with a 5L V8 engine producing up to 775 horsepower. That's not just a pickup, it's a muscle truck on steroids. But here's the first tip. Supercharged power needs maintenance. While the engine delivers extreme performance, maintaining a supercharged truck requires more attention than a regular F-150. If you love power but hate high maintenance costs, this might not be the best choice. The exterior screams aggression with its bold Shelby racing stripes, massive hood scoop, and custom grille. Add in the Fox Performance suspension and all-terrain tires, and you get a truck that can dominate both the streets and the dirt. But here's tip number 2. It's not just for work. Unlike a regular F-150, the Shelby version is more about performance and style rather than pure utility. If you need a truck for heavy-duty work, a standard F-150 or F-250 might be a better fit. Inside, the Shelby F-150 doesn't disappoint. You get premium leather seats, Shelby branding, carbon fiber accents, and all the latest tech features. It's built to be as comfortable as it is powerful. But tip number 3, expect a high price tag. The Shelby badge isn't just about performance, it comes with exclusivity and cost. This truck is significantly more expensive than a regular F-150, so it's not for the average buyer. So if you're looking for a one-of-a-kind pickup that turns heads and delivers extreme performance, the Shelby F-150 is a perfect choice. But here's tip number 4. Resale value holds strong. Shelby trucks are rare and their demand keeps prices high even in the used market. If you ever plan to sell, you're likely to get a good return on investment. That wraps up our review of the Ford Shelby F-150 on Autoland. Is this the ultimate performance truck, or is it too much for daily use? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-performance truck reviews.